You write a highly useful Python script, perhaps a data pipeline, only to realize you have to manually open and edit the source code every single time the input file changes. There is a sharp contrast between editing hard-coded variables inside a script and executing a clean command directly from the terminal. To bridge this gap, developers often reach for sys.argv, Python's built-in way to read terminal inputs. But sys.argv is primitive. It forces you to write custom procedural logic to handle string conversion, check for missing variables, and manage error states manually. Click provides a declarative abstraction layer designed to replace that manual parsing entirely. Instead of writing validation rules by hand, Click maps raw terminal text directly to your Python function parameters using decorators. This shift moves the interaction logic out of the script's internal code and into a structured interface, making the tools safer and more predictable. You begin by applying the @ click.Command decorator to a standard Python function, which immediately prepares it for terminal execution. To understand routing, break a command into conceptual parts. The input file name is our primary target, mapping to a click argument, a required position-based value. The double-dashed flag maps to a click option, a named optional modifier changing behavior without altering core arguments. Stacking these decorators allows you to define the function's external signature, while the function itself focuses purely on the internal logic. This system also handles complex cases where an option requires its own value, such as defining a specific output path for the results. By defining these relationships declaratively, you build a complex routing network without writing a single line of manual parsing code. Click handles type coercion at the moment of execution. You simply pass a type parameter, like type equals int, into the decorator. The library converts the raw string from the terminal into the correct Python type before your function ever runs. If a user provides the wrong data type, Click intercepts it at the validation boundary. It displays a formatted error and halts execution, preventing the script from crashing deeper in the code. This mirrors the automatic validation behavior we previously explored with Pydantic, ensuring only perfectly clean data enters the system. Handling sensitive data, like passwords or API keys, presents a different operational challenge. By setting prompt equals true, you can instruct Click to request the information at runtime. This keeps sensitive strings out of the terminal's command history, as they are typed directly into the active session instead of passed as visible arguments. Click also uses this declarative metadata to generate a comprehensive help menu automatically. Because the interface is defined by the code itself, the documentation stays in sync with the execution logic, providing a consistent experience for the user. For complex tools, a single, flat command is often not enough to organize every necessary task. Using the click.group decorator, you can build a hierarchical structure. This is the same pattern used by tools like Get, where a primary command branches into distinct subcommands. You construct these architectures by nesting decorators, allowing each subcommand to maintain its own unique arguments and options. Each subcommand routes the user to a specific module of functionality, while sharing the same top-level configuration. This hierarchy allows a collection of disjointed scripts to be managed through a single cohesive entry point. This structured approach is essential when deploying the web scraping and machine learning pipelines we have covered throughout this series. Imagine taking a Pandas data cleaning script and preparing it for a teammate to use. The tool needs an input path, an output path, and an optional flag to remove duplicate rows. Once the Click interface firmly locks into place, the vast internal complexity of the Pandas logic is completely contained. Other users can now drive the entire pipeline through clear terminal arguments without needing to modify the underlying source code. Click abstracts the difficulties of input handling to provide a standardized, reliable interface for Python automation. In our next episode, we will look at Typer, a library that builds on these concepts by using Python type hints to define the interface with even less boilerplate.